So this is an old chassis where the customer wanted to save some money instead of purchasing a brand new distributor. There's issues with this chassis, so what we offered them is to swap everything off of this truck and place it on a brand new 2026 chassis. So that involved taking everything off that truck that has to do with Etnyre, installing it onto this truck, and coming up with ways to fabricate the way to mount everything and to position everything to where it's square and true and that everything works as intended. This also involved replacing every single hydraulic hose the truck has, involved transferring over the entire computer control system and all the wires associated with it. This has the brand new style tilt switches that replaces old antiquated mercury switches. We also converted the burner system that used to be an LP burner system. We converted it to diesel. To give you an idea of how this entire spray system was transferred from the old chassis to the new one, we were able to rig onto the entire spray assembly with a chain and pull this out as a whole unit with the spray bar and all of these components still attached, minus the strainer box connected to the tank. That came off. All of those components came off as one unit and set it down onto a pallet. And then we were able to hook back onto it and slip it into this chassis before all of these components got put back on. Once it was back on, then we tore it all apart and rebuilt it with all new swivels, all new gaskets, all new seal kits, rebuilt the tank valve, repacked the asphalt pump and four-way valve. I do have another example where the red truck that's sitting out there, the control system that is on that truck is completely outdated. There's many components that are no longer available that you couldn't buy a replacement part. We're going to bring this truck into the shop and we're going to replace the entire Etnyre control system on it and update it with a new computer controlled components, new control boxes, all new wiring. And once they get that truck back, we can now support it for quite some time, possibly up to the next 10 years.